All right, so the next side now. So the left leg is under, the right is on top. You will feel that one side is tighter. Yeah. This is actually, my less active side. Yeah. But it's good to work both sides. Yeah, that's the principle. Yeah, so you can balance your adjacent nadi, Ida Pingala, circle around. All right. Good. Now, while you're holding this, this is already a practice while you're learning. Good. Now, Vajroli Mudra. All right. So this practice of Vajroli Mudra, by the way, mudras are ways for us to channelize the vital force from the lower centers to the brain. Yeah, so from bottom to top. Yeah. Now, Vajroli Mudra, it's one topic which is quite graphic when you read texts. Yeah, it's quite graphic. There are instruments needed and some other adjacent or related techniques regarding this. But for me, Vajroli Mudra is really, really different. The essence is different from the books. Yeah. Vajroli Mudra for me is an organic skill. Good. And this topic really took me a while to understand the essence. And as in any other techniques, internal techniques I've learned, the mudras shall happen spontaneously, involuntarily, internally, when the nadis are open. All right, so Vajroli Mudra. Vajroli Mudra or Sahajroli Mudra in females are techniques for us to control the depletion of our sexual energy. Yeah, ejaculation for men, and of course, orgasm for women. Okay, now, it doesn't mean we need to totally stop and then prevent ourselves from experiencing our human nature. That's part of us. Sexual function is a sacred function because through that we propagate and continue this life cycle. So it's a sacred gift. We need to celebrate and express. But of course in moderation. And Hatha Yoga teaches us how we can organically rechannel the mind from the sexual effect of the practice or our nature towards the healing spiritual energy we harness from this practice. Now, going back to Vajroli. All right. So, yes, you can experience sexual gratification without depleting your ojas. In men, yes, you can ejaculate. You can release the kapha or the water component of your semen, but not totally deplete yourself of the essence, which is the ojas. Ojas is the vital force contained in the semen. And yes, we are abundantly possessing this vital force in our semen. When you ejaculate, there's a technique, a Vajroli technique. And then this is in relation to the other, for example, this. Because as you become more sensitive there, you will also learn ways on how you can regulate the effect of sexual stimulation. All right. So a contemporary approach here, you might call it edging. Like you're about to release, but you stop from releasing. So it's one way. Well, that's just my thinking. Like one way for us to train, how we control. But in the Vajroli Mudra, you can actually release the sexual urge without the intense sexual stimulation, which depletes not just the body, but also our energies. All right. Once you become more familiar and then sensitive down the perineum, you can relax. And this is in relation to bandhas. I've given many topics, many insights about the bandhas. Bandhas are not mere contraction. They're not mere squeezing. Bandhas are internal, dynamics that we use in order for us to increase the flow into particular regions of the body, depending on the element at hand. And then during sexual intercourse, during orgasm, during ejaculation, during that peak, the perineum will just contract. For us men, right? It will contract because we need to release this vital force out. And then the Apana Vayu has this way of releasing externally. And one of the, I say, most depleting and most exhausting function of our sexual energy is to release. Or sexual function is to release our semen. And then you can actually release. You can come, you can ejaculate, without you feeling exhausted. You can still experience and enjoy the process without you depleting yourself of the prana or the ojas. And then once you become familiar with the dynamics of your perineum, of your reproductive system, you can ejaculate, but without you clenching, without you voluntarily squeezing down them. Because that's the side effect. Once you're about to reach that orgasm, your body will just do it. But you are more aware now that when it's time, you will develop the skill of just letting go, and it will come out, the kapha, the liquid, the water, without you depleting the essence of the ojas. Of course, yes, since you're releasing the kapha, there will be like some essence there you're depleting out. And that is enough for you to continue this life cycle, in observance to the sacred functions of our human nature, but you retain most of it within you. Okay. So for me, that's the essence of Vajroli. All right. Even how stimulated we become. We know deep inside how to control those valves, or regulators or points, so we can regulate, we can limit the excessive depletion of our vital force. All right, circle around. Yes, you're already practicing while you're learning, and that's good.